Hi, this is Lance Edwards, and welcome to my book, How to Make Big Money in Small Apartments. I'm the author. You know, I want to thank you for getting the book, and I wanted to take just a moment here to share with you what's in it for you. I mean, you've made the commitment, you've got the book, it's on the way, and I'll tell you what's in it for you. This book has launched countless number of careers of successful small apartment entrepreneurs. The youngest success story I had to date is a 10-year-old. A 10-year-old used the exact same principles I'm teaching you here, went out and bought a duplex. Now, of course, he had his father's help. I'll give you that disclaimer. But my point is, anybody can do this. This book is full of case studies, and it's going to open up for you a realm of possibilities because I'm holding nothing back in this book. Now, the question you may be asking is, well, who are you? Well, I'm Lance Edwards, and my story is probably very similar to yours. Back in 2002, I had a full-time job looking to get started in something that would give me extra source of income, and I discovered real estate. Within 3 years, I retired from that 20-year job thanks to small apartments, and I've been, since 2007, been teaching thousands and tens of thousands of people nationwide how to go do it on their own. And I've distilled all of it down for you in this book. Now, the question may be coming up, well, Lance, why are you sharing all of your secrets? I'll tell you, that's a great question. Purely selfish reasons. I'm looking to buy apartments nationwide. I've established a $10 million fund. We're out buying both small and large apartment buildings nationwide, and I need your help. I need deal flow. I need deal flow coming from people who are familiar with my techniques, and I also need buyers who can buy properties from me that I'm selling, and also need investors who are going to invest in my fund for these properties that we're acquiring. So I know and I believe that the more people I introduce to small apartments, the more chance and likelihood we're going to do some business together. Obviously, you're under no obligation, but I'm going to show you step by step what's involved so you can decide for yourself which way you want to play. Now, I will tell you, there's basically two choices you have from. Are you going to enter the business where you want more of it done for you, or are you going to enter the business where you're going to do it yourself? And it really becomes a trade-off of time versus money at this point. If you're out ready to go buy properties right now, then you're interested in more of the done-for-you aspect of the business. If you're looking to get started to create your own business and maybe source deals to others, including me, then you're more along the do-it-yourself line of the business. So either way you want to start, I can support you because I have two aspects of everything I do. There's a transaction side and there's a training side. And I have a lot of extra bonus training that I want to send you. If you just tell me what your primary interest is, are you primarily interested in done for you? And you're ready to buy apartments right now, you're ready to invest in apartments? Then go below and choose the transactions button. I'm going to send you some bonus materials. If you're more interested in the do-it-yourself, meaning I want to put my own business in place so I can source deals for others, including you, Lance, then go select the training button below. Either way, it's your choice. I got some extra materials I want to send you besides the book. Go check it out now. Give me your choice, and I want to send you that means to get started.